Hello guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of Microsoft Excel tutorial. So today we will talk about functions. Functions are the one of the most intelligent thing in Microsoft Excel. So today we will start from the basic functions and it is Microsoft sum function and the count function. So what is count function? It is nothing, just to count the number of rows or number of cells uh, where the data contains. Count if is nothing, it is just to add a condition to count, and count ifs is add multiple condition when you are counting the numbers. Similarly, sum is to count the number of rows, number of values of the rows, and sum if is count add the numbers with some conditions, and sum if is add the numbers which with multiple conditions. So let's start it. So at first we'll talk about count. So I have made a Excel for you. It's a small table. There's I think 6 number is there: 10, 1, 5, 20, 30 and 23. So I want to count the number, total number. Suppose you have a long list here and you want to count them. So what you have to do, just type here equals to. So every function start with equals to sign and type count. Then bracket open, and I want to choose from here. So it is A2 to here. So it select the whole table. Bracket close. Press enter. So there is 6 rows where the value is available. Okay, so this is count function. Now I want to add a condition here. Suppose I want to know how many number is bigger than 10. So what I have to do? I have to use count if function. So similar way, do equals to sign and type count if. Bracket open, and you want to select from here to here. Bracket close. So it select sorry, not bracket close. So it select all the rows. So now I have to add a condition. Condition is I want the numbers which is greater than 10. So what I have to do? I just have to put a comma and in double quotes greater than 10 and bracket close. Press enter. So see, there is only 3 number which is greater than 10. These are 20, 30 and 23. Now what I want, we will talk about count if function. So count ifs is to add multiple conditions. So suppose I want to count from here to there, and I want to take only the values which have color is green. So how can I do that? So here write the condition count ifs, IFS, count ifs. So I want to select from here to here. Okay, so I have selected the first column, and if it is green, so type green, and I want to see if the number is greater than 10. So select from here to here, whose numbers is greater than 10. Press enter. Okay, there is some error. Okay, sorry, I have mistaken something. Here I have to put a sorry, that is my mistake. Select this line, it's comma here, and it is greater than, it is green, and to select this row, sorry, this column to this column, and which is greater than 10. Enter. So see, only one value which has color green and value is greater than 10. So it is this one. So it just gave the number 1. Okay, so now we will talk about the sum function. So suppose here, okay, I will take the sum here. So I want to add all those numbers from row 2 to row 7. So how can I do that? Similarly, type sum and first bracket and select the cell number here to here, bracket close, enter. So if you add this number, it will be 89. Now what I want to add the number which is greater than 10. So here what I can do, type sum if and select first column here to here. So it select the whole table, and the condition is greater than 10. press enter. So the number greater than 10 is 20, 30 and 23. If we add them all, it will be 73. Okay, now for summing function, we have another table here. So I just want to add the numbers which have shape is circle and color is green. So what I want, equals to sum ifs, because for multiple condition we have to use sum ifs, bracket open, from here to here. So that is the range what I want to sum. Now criteria range is from here to here, and the color must be green. Or green. And criteria 2 is shape will be circle, from here to here the shape would be circle. Press enter. So as you can see, it takes this one and this one, and the value of this and this, sum of these two value is 30. So it takes that value. So this is how the sum function and count function works. We will know more about that on the next lecture. Thank you.